Alright, so here are 3 Goodman heat pumps and a Carrier mini split. That one's running. These are newer. Emerson scroll. (2020) 2.5 ton GSZ14. There's this one right here. There's this one running. 2020 3 ton. Also GSZ14. Oh, this is an LG scroll. Yeah, this has an LG scroll right here. Doesn't look like it was replaced. Looks original. Interesting. Here's this one running in cool mode. Pretty sure this one has a Goodman scroll. I've always loved the sound of the fans on these. There's actually a higher SEER version of this at one of my old neighbors' houses where my mom used to live, and it was a 2.5 ton GSZ14, and it had this fan blade and the same sound. It's very cold and sweaty, and this valve right here is actually missing its screws. It's all good. This one's a 3.5 ton from 2020. Pretty nice units. And then here's this Carrier over here. Not running. May have been running. Probably not. 2 ton 38 MAQB from 2020. So all the same year and stuff. Right. Thanks for watching.